So we've already derived the equation of a circle, so I'm going to focus on how to use the equation of a circle, or how to write an equation of a circle. So if we have a circle, the center is represented with an H and a K, and any point on your circle is an X and a Y. And remember that the distance from the center of the circle to a point on the circle has a special name that we call the radius. And we found the distance, how the distance formula relates to the circle. So I'm just going to highlight important parts of the equation of a circle. So the center of our circle, the H and the K here, right? X minus H, the horizontal change. Y minus K represents our vertical change. Right? So if I was looking here from here to here, this is X minus H. That is my horizontal change. Or if you remember your run from slope, right? If I make a little, let's make a little triangle in here so you can see how the Pythagorean theorem and distance formula relate to the equation of a circle. As a reminder, X minus H, horizontal change. Y minus K, that's your run, or your fancy name, vertical change. Equals R squared. Hopefully you're seeing, oh, that's A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Important things to notice. The radius, right? This is R squared. A lot of people get to writing the equation of the circle and they think, I've got there, I have it, and they forget to square the R. So remember, we need to have R squared here. Also, another important point that people sometimes forget, we are subtracting because we're looking for the difference, right? If we're looking for change, that's the difference. It's how much it's changed. So we're subtracting the two values. Now, let's go to an example. So if we have a circle with the center of -2, 4, and a radius of, let's say, 6, let's write the equation of the circle. So x, don't forget this is our h, and if it helps you to write this to remind you, go for that, do that, and I'm trying to find a pen that works. I would label the center h and k if that helps you out. So x minus 2. Now, I'm supposed to subtract a -2, right? So when I subtract a -2, I add. So it's x minus the -2, so I need to add. Remember, when you're subtracting a negative, it's addition. And then we have y minus our k, so y minus 4. And then don't forget we square each part, equals r squared. Well, my r is 6, so r squared is going to be 36. 6 times 6 makes the 36. And now you have your equation of a circle. So another type of problem you can have is you have your circle here, and they give you a center. Let's make this 1, 3. And then they give you a point on the circle 6, 7. So this time you do not have the radius. You don't know what the radius is. You could use your good old friend, the distance formula, to find the distance from here to here, which we call a radius. You could also use the Pythagorean theorem. You could say, what's my horizontal change? Because I could build that right triangle off the horizontal change and the vertical change. So to find the horizontal change, 6 minus the 1, be a horizontal change of 5. 7, vertical change, look at the y's. Remember y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Vertical change, horizontal change. 7 minus 3 makes 4. So we're going to go 5 squared plus 4 squared equals r squared. 25 plus 16